Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by obtaining credentials and initializing the library. First, get a Mapbox access token and decide secret versus public use. Store secrets in environment variables. Then install the SDK, NPM, or CDN so the client can talk to Mapbox. Once done, set Mapbox goal. Access token or equivalent in your app. This authorizes requests and enables vector tiles, styles, and geocoding. Make sure to choose the right token scope, because that controls allowed API endpoints and billing. Next, you create the map and load data. Instantiate a Mapbox map with a style, center coordinates, and initial zoom so tiles render correctly. Then add data sources, vector tiles, or GeoJSON, because sources feed layers. Configure tile URLs and tile size for optimal performance. After that, add layers with types like fill, line, or symbol and set paint and layout properties to control appearance. As you build, use camera easing or set center for smooth transitions and to ensure features render in view. Finally, implement interactions, call other Mapbox APIs, and deploy. Add event listeners and pop-ups so users can click features, then integrate geocoding and directions APIs for search and routing. Send queries with proper parameters to get predictable results. Once everything works locally, optimize by pruning unused style layers and enable caching of tiles. Set token scopes and never embed secret tokens in client code. If requests fail, check token permissions and CORS headers first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.